factor tree of 64. So 64, it can be written as 2 times 32 is equal to 64. Now this 32, it is 2 times 16, it is 32, and this 16, it is 2 times 8 is equals to 16, and 8, it is 2 times 4 is equals to 8, and this 4 can be written as 2 times 2 is equals to 4. So now we have to select the prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers we have is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. So we can write 64 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2, 2, these 2, these 2, these 2 and 2. So product of all these 2 is the factor tree of 64. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.